Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite coach, your favorite girl, Gracious Chioma. Thank you for tuning in on my channel today. Let me adjust this camera. Okay, perfect. So today I'm going to be telling you 4 qualities or 4 tips that shows that a girl is madly in love with you. 4 signs that she is madly in love with you. 4 things that you're going to notice in a girl, and then it tells you that she's madly in love with you. How does that sound? Beautiful, right? Maybe you are having doubts if your girlfriend loves you. There's a difference between like and love. So there are things that someone who likes you will do. But if that person loves you, there are things that person will do. If the person just likes you and doesn't love you, there are things that the person wouldn't do at all. Yes. So I'm going to tell you the 4 signs you're going to see that will help you to know that she is madly in love. To assure you that yes, your girlfriend is really in love with you. If you're having doubts. Now, this video, as you saw, is not a long one. I'm just going to give you the points and straight to the points, and it's something you can easily understand. I don't need to explain so much. I have the points here. So the first thing is she loves spending time with you. Yes, someone that likes you might actually like spending time with you, but if there is a love in her life, if there is someone she loves that she's taking serious, that person is like the number 1. She's going to be giving you excuse sometimes if you want to hang out with her or want to spend time with her. You won't get her 100% of the time that you want to spend time with her. But if she truly loves you, it is very difficult to cancel on you. No matter how busy that schedule is, she will try and squeeze out time. So if you have a girl that you're doubting her love for you, but each time you guys manage to hang out together, she never cancels on you. She's even the one trying to have more alone time with you, trying to spend more time with you, telling you, let's go on dates, let's go for dinner, let's go for lunch, come over to my house, come have breakfast before you go to work, come see me at the office, let's hang out together, let's go for a weekend getaway. Just know that there is a chance that she truly loves you. When a woman truly loves a man, they want to spend time with him. Although another thing is that so many people now are trying to be high value woman, and the male are trying to be alpha male. And the second one is she likes being in touch. Yes, if someone truly loves you, if a girl truly loves you, she wants to always be in touch with you. Even if you're not the communicating type, you're not the texting type, you're not the calling type. People be like, I'm not the calling type, I'm not the texting type. Really, when you truly love someone, you will change from not being the texting type to being the texting type. Whether you're a man or woman, once you truly love someone, you will change. That attitude will change. You might not be someone that always call or text, but you truly love someone, you will always like to check up because you want to know how they are doing, you want to know their well-being, you want to know if they've eaten for the day, what's your schedule for today, how was today, what did you achieve today, and all that. Even if it's just talking once a day. But if she's always checking up on you, always calling, texting to know how you're doing, to fix 1 or 2 for you and all that, she wants to always be in touch. That is a beautiful sign that she is madly, truly in love with you. So the third one is she stalks your social media every time. Yes, you might not actually know that she stalks your social media every time that I might be the type that will always stalk your social media, but you won't know. I might go straight ahead to go to your Instagram, check if you've uploaded a new picture, if you put any story, if you commented on anybody's stuff, if you're online on WhatsApp, if you're on Twitter, have you tweeted anything. I might actually see your picture and I won't say a word. I might just like it and go. But personally, they will just go and type your name out so that they'll just go to your page and start looking at your pictures all over again. It's not as if they don't know what you look like, but just because they feel something strong for you. So some women will make you know that they stalk you on social media because they will keep leaving comments, they will keep leaving their likes, they will leave their imprints whenever they visit. But some will not tell you. So if you're able to notice that she is always stalking your social media, just know that she's in love. If she's not in love with you, she doesn't have time to do that. She has time to do other better things than stalk you on social media. So if your woman is doing this, just know that she truly loves you. Truly, madly in love. Is there a difference? But just know that she's madly in love with you. The last but not the least is she listens to you. Now, that point right there. A woman that truly loves you, a woman that is madly in love with you, listens to you. She gives you a listening ear. Let me tell you, the thing is, you might actually be advising her on something she's more knowledgeable about and you are not making sense really. She'll just be listening to you and allow you to speak. Then she might now bring out her own opinion. She gives you a listening ear. You say your birthday is today, she's going to keep that in mind. You say this today, she's going to keep that in mind, and tomorrow she will keep reminding you or say something that you know you've told her once and then, or you've even forgotten that you say to her. So a woman that is madly in love with you gives you a listening ear. She remembers things you say. So no need to explain so much. I said that this video is not going to be so much a long video. I just did my makeup and dressed in big hoodie and decided to chip this tip to you guys today. So yes, I hope that I'm right with these points, and I know there's so many other 1,000 points. I want you guys to leave it down there below on the comment section for me. I want to read it. I want other people to read it to learn as well. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, comment, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. Your girl, always gracious, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I want to do Instagram.